Well, the former BP worker now faces the first criminal charges from one of the worst environmental disasters in modern history, the oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico 2 years ago. You'll recall the explosion at the offshore rig killed 11 people, injured more than a dozen others, and unleashed some 200 million gallons of oil into the Gulf. Is it all cleaned up and ready like the commercials say? No. Absolutely, emphatically, it is a fact that it is not all fixed. It forced the feds to temporarily close thousands of square miles of the Gulf of Mexico, severely hurting the fishing industry, the backbone of local economies. Cops arrested that former BP engineer at long last today. Investigators say he deleted more than 200 vital text messages from his iPhone, which they say revealed that he was aware that top kill method to stop the oil spill was failing. Prosecutors claim the worker got rid of those texts after he learned he was under investigation. If the court convicts him as charged, he faces up to 20 years in prison. Let's take it to the judge. Fox News senior judicial analyst Judge Andrew Napolitano is here. What do you make of this?
Shep. You know, it's a little unusual because the allegations, which right now consist of just a one-paragraph complaint against him and a 5-page affidavit by the senior FBI agent investigating him, state that the destruction of these text messages and emails occurred after the well was capped, and that he only destroyed his own copies. He didn't seek to retrieve copies of what he had sent or to get copies of what had been sent to him. And it seems as though he was caught in a sting. Again, the affidavit's a little ambiguous, but it seems as though the FBI sent people to him asking him for copies of his records, and it revealed that he had destroyed them. But what it does reveal is a good thing about BP, and we didn't know this before. BP's general counsel sent a legal hold notice to every employee of BP. That's a formal instruction that you are to retain every document in your file, hard and electronic, until we tell you you don't have to keep hold of it.
We do that here all the time. Every company does that. That's standard.
Absolutely. And people know this. They know that they have to retain it. He defied those 5 legal hold notices and destroyed these 200 documents. Now, did anybody suffer as a result of this? That remains to be seen. But the allegations against him are pretty crisp and pretty direct, and the government experts were able to reconstruct the text messages and emails he thought he had destroyed.
All right, we'll find out about those text messages.